We're here at the Venue Connect 2023 trade show in beautiful Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, showcasing for the first time in North America the Oktablock rapid deployment Bollard. The ideal solution for venues, events, any scenario where you need portable, crash-rated protection. The Bollard itself weighs 800 pounds and is engineered, tested, and certified to withstand an impact of 15,000 pounds traveling 30 miles per hour. The Bollard is easily deployed using a forklift or crane truck, alternatively, the Oktamover. Here's a demonstration of how to use it. Simply pump the lever until the Bollard is approximately 1 inch off the ground. Release the brake. Set the product anywhere you'd like. Put the brake back on. Set the follow. No excavation, no maintenance, no hassle. Contact your local ANNT distributor for more information.